Hi, Black Sheep here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Black Sheep channel. Today I've got a special treat for you. No, I don't actually have a special treat for you. That's pretty trite. Like I would have something special for you. No, but anyway, I did get something really cool that I want to show you. But first, we're going to do Black Sheep's movie reviews. Something new on the channel. We're going to talk about The Replacement Killers with Chow Yun-fat, Mira Sorvino. I'm just kidding, guys. No, it's a pretty cool movie. Just don't expect too much. It's not a bad movie. Anyhow, no, I'm just messing with you. But no, I did find something cool. That's why I'm sitting here with the go bags. This heavy thing over here with the machete, that's my go bag. I was just bringing them down here for the shoot. This thing must weigh 80 pounds. This is the wife's go bag. 15, 20? I don't know. I don't know how this happened. But we're going to do another review on the go bags because every time we see something cool, we think this should go in the go bag. These are already full, and I got a whole bunch of stuff upstairs that we got to find room for. So there's going to be another video coming on the go bags. But there's one thing we're definitely going to add, and it won't add too much bulk. And I don't know if you guys have seen this before. It is from KaBar, and it is called the Tactical Spork. Everybody should have at least one of these things in their tactical go bag, get home bag, survival kit. These things are awesome. Again, I said this is made by KaBar. This is not a cheap little flimsy spork. It's made of a food grade plastic called Grimmeland. I looked that up. It's almost an indestructible plastic. I actually looked to the manufacturer of the plastic on their website, pulled up their MSDS sheet, and it kind of lists all the materials that you can leave this thing in orange juice, Coca-Cola for example, and it won't dissolve. About the only thing that will dissolve this material is hydrochloric acid, I found. So as long as you're not cooking with or eating hydrochloric acid, I would call this pretty much indestructible. But it is a very hard plastic. It's dense. It's not cheap or flimsy or anything like that. The spork, you can probably slice through your meat with a spork. But it's called a tactical spork for a reason, because you could use it as a tactical defense weapon. I watched another review online about this spork. It was a Special Forces guy, pretty cool channel. I should put a link to his channel in there. But he says first thing you could do with it is I could scoop out an eyeball with this. And yes, you probably could if you were such trained. I do not have Special Forces training here at the Black Sheep channel. I do know folks who have had, and I bow down to your service. Thanks again for your service, guys. But yes, if you wanted to scoop out an eyeball with this, that would be one tactical defense weapon you could have. But it is shaped, if you look at the back of this, I don't know if the wife will pull in a little bit, but the back handle of this, the shape, you might recognize the shape. Looks like a Kubaton.
Hold it down.
Hold it down like that?
Yep.
How's that?
There you go.
Looks a little bit like a Kubaton. You know, one of those things you put your keys on that's a self-defense weapon. Or as the Special Forces or martial arts community will describe it to you, it is a pain compliance tool. You dig this point or this in somewhere at a pressure point and they will comply. So that's pretty cool. You can use it that way as a pain compliance tool. It makes an excellent handle. It's got a great grip. If that's all this thing did, it would be cool and be worthy of putting in the go bag. But what you also have is not just the fork and the spoon, the spork. Pull it apart and you have a knife. You have a 2.5 inch serrated knife hidden in there. 2.5 inches is plenty for up close work if you need to defend yourself. There's another defensive tool. But if you didn't want to try and cut your steak or your buffalo meat or your venison with the side of your spork, you have a built-in knife. That is awesome. A little tip here for you kids. When it goes back together, see this locking, oops, the way it's shaped right here? When you go to pull it apart, oops, try not to squeeze here. That's part of the locking mechanism. So when you go to pull them apart, pull at the opposite ends, like so. Push them together. But anyway, this is the KaBar Tactical Spork. I think it's got an $8.32 retail. If you go to the KaBar website, you can find it other places for less money. I found mine on Bud K. If you guys haven't forgot about Bud K, they've been around a while. CH Cadell, Bud K. BudK.com is where I found mine, and it was a lot less than $8. I don't have an affiliate membership with Bud K. I wish I did. If you're listening, Mr. Cadell, I'm a small channel, but I am growing. I am working hard. And if you have an affiliate program, I would definitely be interested in doing an affiliate program for you guys, because I love a lot of your stuff on the website. This was part of a very large order. The wife had some knives in that order, but this was one of the things I picked out of my Bud K order. But KaBar Tactical Spork. If you don't have at least one, go get a couple of them for your go bag or for everyday use. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button down below, please. We are commercial free right now thanks to YouTube's monetization policies. We need to get 1,000 subscribers before commercials return and we get a little bit of money to help pay the bills around here. So please hit the subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Hit share if I made you chuckle, or if I gave you some information, or if you think this thing is cool and you got to tell your buddies about it. Hit the share button. Hit the like. Mash the like if you guys are impressed. And thanks for watching. And we'll see you next time.